Okay guys, everyone wanted a quick way to highlight your store's biggest selling points without a cluttered layout. Well, this section keeps it clean and organized. Today we're adding this feature icon section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here you can install any app based on your needs. Right now we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Feature Icons. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Feature Bar, and choose that section. It will be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First option here lets you choose between 3 different layouts. I'll go with the second one. Below that comes the grid settings, like columns per row for desktop. I'll change this from 3 to 4. And there's also a gap option, but I'll leave that as is. Right below that, there's padding again for both mobile and desktop. Below that comes shadows, which I'll enable, along with quite a few more settings that let you fully prepare this section for your store. After that comes the heading and body text settings. I'll change both of their font styles to pop-ins, just like I do with every section. Next comes the section's overall colors, which I'll adjust a bit to match my store. And lastly, there's padding and margin. I'll increase the margin up to 4, set the width to max, and keep lazy load images turned on. Now comes the most important part of this section, the icons, which honestly don't look great by default. So let's close this and choose any feature item. Its settings open up here too. First, I'll add a better looking icon of my own. After that, I'll update the title and description as well. And lastly, you can add any link here. I'll link mine to my reviews, like the Shopify App Store or Trustpilot. I'll go ahead and edit all the cards this same way. And here's the final result. After all that effort, just hit save and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.